students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today our topic is match the capital and small letters with correct picture. Now start. Popcorn. Popcorn. Where is small p? This is small p. Popcorn. Popcorn. Where is capital M? This is capital M. Mango. Mango. Match it. Where is small m? This is small m. Mango. Mango. Match it. I hope you understand this lesson. Respected parents, please help your child to complete this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.